Question. P.S. Which of the following has an odd number of factors? Solution. We are required to select the option that has an odd number of factors. The first step will be to prime factorize all the options one by one. A. 60. Now 60 equals 2 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of 1. So the number of factors is 2 plus 1 times 1 plus 1 times 1 plus 1, which equals 3 times 2 times 2, which equals 12. Thus, 60 has an even number of factors. B. 72. Now, 72 equals 2 to the power of 3 times 3 to the power of 2. So the number of factors is 3 plus 1 times 2 plus 1, which equals 4 times 3, which equals 12. Thus, 72 has an even number of factors. C. 98. Now, 98 equals 2 to the power of 1 times 7 to the power of 2. So the number of factors is 1 plus 1 times 2 plus 1, which equals 2 times 3, which equals 6. Thus, 98 has an even number of factors. D. 144. Now, 144 equals 2 to the power of 4 times 3 to the power of 2. So, the number of factors is 4 plus 1 times 2 plus 1, which equals 5 times 3, which equals 15. Thus, 144 has an odd number of factors. E. 145. Now, 145 equals 5 to the power of 1 times 29 to the power of 1. So the number of factors is 1 plus 1 times 1 plus 1 equals 2 times 2, which equals 4. Thus, 145 has an even number of factors. So only 144 has an odd number of factors, and we can also observe that 144 is a perfect square, which tells us that only perfect squares have an odd number of factors. The important part is that perfect squares have an odd number of different factors. Thus, D is the correct answer. Answer D.